Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Essentially, I have graduated from University of Lahore, and luckily I got a job in Africa Hospital. So as an answer of your question, I'm doing a job.
To answer your
To
question,
answer
I
your
am doing a job.
job.
Good. What do you like about your job?
My job is basically a noble deed to diagnose, to correct treatment. So I like my job is that it's to help the patients to diagnose them correctly, so that they can treat very well. So
Good.
that's my
What is your favorite color and why?
my favorite color is the black. So it's so charming and a beautiful color, and I have been like this color since my
I have always liked this color since my childhood. Present perfect.
since my childhood. So black is my favorite color, and all the things I have, like my car, is also black. So that's I like.
How often do you use this color?
Most of things I have black color in. Most of things I have are in black color. I used to wear black coat. I wear black coat, black dresses at my special occasions. So like wedding, so I usually wear to black clothes. That's my favorite color.
Okay. What is the importance of colors in our life?
So according to my view, when I saw my favorite color,
When I see my favorite
when I
color.
see my favorite color, so it's calm my mind. So I can relax after visualization of the favorite colors. So that it really attracts for my mind.
It really attracts my mind. How do you feel when you look at the blue sky?
Blue sky is a light color, it's so charming color. So it's
How do you feel when you look at the blue sky?
blue sky.
The sky is blue, my love is
Blue.
true. Yeah. How unromantic, huh?
Basically, I'm a married person.
Ah, so sad. Love Sosua.
So that's a good thing.
Me too. Okay? So, but how do you feel when you look at the sky? Whenever I look at the sky, I really feel good because the sky is blue and somehow I like this color. So looking at the blue sky relaxes my mind, something like that. So how do you feel when you look at the sky?
Sky, basically, sky blue color is the peaceful for mind. So it's very when I'm depressed, I like to extract my expressions to.
So whenever you are depressed, you look at the sky.
at the
Then
sky.
you must be looking at the sky all the time because you're married. Okay. All right. Let's go on. When you go for shopping, do you prefer to buy colorful clothes or clothes in your favorite color that is black?
So I really prefer to buy a clothes that's my favorite color. So I usually like to buy only black color.
Okay. Your English is good in terms of fluency. But grammatically, yes, you are good, but still you need to do further
Due to the
improvements.
lack of confidence.
Yeah, that's the only thing. So you'll be fine, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Right? Okay. Thank you.